Hello everyone! Today we are unboxing the Himi Pastel Gouache 18 color set. The packaging looks so sleek and compact, and inside we have a beautiful range of soft, dreamy pastel shades. Each jelly cup is generously filled with creamy, smooth gouache that's highly pigmented and easy to work with. The colors look absolutely stunning, perfect for soft gradients, whimsical illustration, and aesthetic artwork. This set is a must-have for pastel lovers. The consistency of these paints is impressively smooth and creamy, with just the right amount of thickness to allow for easy blending and smooth application. It feels slightly thicker than watercolor, but not as heavy as traditional gouache, which makes it ideal for creating soft, velvety textures. When it comes to the water-to-paint ratio, it's quite forgiving. You can control the opacity and texture by adjusting how much water you add. For a more opaque, vibrant look, use less water, and for a softer, more translucent effect, add a little more water. This versatility allows you to experiment with different painting techniques and achieve the perfect result for your artwork. The design of this packaging is so thoughtful. The slots are perfectly sized to hold each jelly cup securely in place, making it super easy to organize and access the colors you need. This thoughtful step not only prevents the cups from moving around, but also ensures there's no mess when you open it up. Now let's begin with the swatching. The swatches of the 18 colors from the Himi Pastel Gouache set is definitely going to be absolutely mesmerizing. Each hue is soft and vibrant, creating a gentle pastel vibe that's perfect for delicate artwork. The consistency is smooth and creamy, blending effortlessly on paper. It's a nice balance, not too thick to feel heavy, but not too thin, which makes it ideal for layering and creating smooth gradients. These paints are perfect for illustration, journaling, card making, and even modern calligraphy. They work beautifully on textured watercolor paper and can also be used for mixed media projects, adding that dreamy, soft touch to any artwork. Now we have come to the end of the swatching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and swatch video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.